Hello, I'm Sam. Today, I'm excited to take you on a virtual journey to one of China's most breathtaking destinations, Huangshan or Yellow Mountain. Get ready for some stunning views and a sprinkle of humor. Huangshan is famous for its majestic peaks, unique granite formations, and hot springs. Basically, it's nature's version of a five-star resort. As you hike through the misty trails, you might feel like you've stepped into a Chinese painting. Just watch your step, though. Those rocks can be trickier than they look.